Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We are very happy to have you on this flight. My name is Kaidi, and I am your flight attendant for today's flight. Together with the captain and the rest of the crew, we will take care of you during the entire journey. Before we take off, we would like to share some important safety information. Please listen carefully, because your safety and comfort are very important to us. First, please place your carry-on bags under the seat in front of you, or in the overhead bin above your seat. Make sure your bags are stored properly and safely. Please keep the aisle and exits clear at all times, so everyone can move easily and safely. Now, please fasten your seat belt. Insert the metal tip into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten it. To open the seat belt, lift the buckle. Please keep your seat belt fastened whenever you are seated, even if the seat belt sign is not on. This is for your own safety. Smoking is not allowed on this aircraft at any time. This includes electronic cigarettes and vapes. Smoking in the cabin or in the restroom is strictly prohibited. Thank you for following this important rule. Please turn off all mobile phones or switch them to airplane mode. Large electronic devices should be turned off. During takeoff and landing, please make sure your seat is upright and your tray table is folded and closed. This helps everyone safe. In case of an emergency, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above your seat. When this happens, pull the mask toward you firmly, place it over your nose and mouth. Secure it with the elastic band and breathe normally. Please remember to put on your own mask first before helping others, including children and elderly passengers. A life vest is located under the seat. If needed, remove the life vest carefully from its container. Put it over your head and fasten the straps around your waist. Pull the straps to tighten them. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Inflate it only after you have exited the plane and are away from the aircraft. Please take a moment to look at the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. The safety card shows all safety procedures clearly and may be very helpful in an emergency situation. If you need any assistance at any time, please press the call button above your seat. One of our friendly flight attendants will be happy to help you. During the flight, our crew will walk through the cabin regularly to check on your safety and comfort. If you feel unwell or need any help, please let us know immediately. For your comfort, please remain seated during turbulence. Always keep your seatbelt fastened when you are seated. This helps protect you from sudden movement. If you are traveling with children, please make sure they are seated properly and wearing their seat belts. If we need help with a child, our crew will be happy to assist you. As we prepare for takeoff, please check your surroundings. Make sure your belongings are secure, your seat belt should be fastened, and your seat should be upright. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Your safety and comfort are our top priorities. We hope you enjoy the flight and have a pleasant journey. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Thank you.